Welcome to Easy English Practices. 20 English Prepositions Quiz Questions. She is excited starting a new project next week. A. For, B. About, C. With. The team collaborated the new app designed seamlessly. A. On, B. At, C. With. Her success depends her dedication to practice. A. In, B. With, C. On. The meeting is scheduled 9 a.m. tomorrow. A. For, B. In, C. At. The event was called due to bad weather. A. Out, B. Of, C. Off. She objected the proposed changes to the schedule. A. Against, B. About, C. To. Mira succeeded overcoming his fear of public speaking. A. At, B. With, C. In. The team was divided whether to launch the product now. A. On, B. Over, C. About. The decision was made the best interests of the team. A. In, B. For, C. With. Max is accustomed working under tight deadlines. A. To, B. With, C. At. He warned the team rushing the project. A. From, B. About, C. Against. Raj insisted paying for the group's dinner. A. On, B. In, C. To. Jenny is looking to the weekend getaway. A. Up, B. Forward, C. Out. She takes her mother in her love for adventure. A. Up, B. After, C. On. Ellie's journal is filled with notes her travels across Asia. A. From, B. About, C. On. The treasure was hidden the ancient ruins. A. Among, B. Between, C. At. Miran ran an old friend at the market. A. Into, B. Across, C. Through. He stumbled a rare book in the library. A. Upon, B. Into, C. Across. The book provides insight the challenges of economic crises. A. Into, B. On, C. About. The discussion centered finding sustainable solutions. A. Around, B. On, C. About. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.